friends, welcome back to our Anjigo classes. So now I am going to explain you exercise 3.1. So in that we are in second bit. Okay, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 5 and 10. Okay, so some numbers are given here: 25, 125, 250, 1250, 10,205, 70,985, 45,880. Okay, in the down one line is given. Check whether the numbers that are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 2 and 5. Okay, this is your question. See here, what is the divisibility rule for 5 here? So divisibility rule for 5, if the number contains 0 or 5 in units place, okay, 0 or 5 in units place, then the number is divisible by 5. Okay, so now divisibility rule for 10. What is the divisibility rule for 10 here? If the number contains 0 in units place, only 0, okay, 0 in units place, so then that number is divisible by 10. Okay, so what is the divisibility rule for 2? Divisibility rule for 2 is, now if the number contains 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 among any of one, okay, anyone in units place. In the units place means in the last digit. Okay, so these are the three rules. So we are familiar with the three rules. So now we are entering into the problem. So see here, what is the problem given? First one is 25. Solution I am writing. 25 is divisible by 5. Okay, everyone clear? Now we are writing for 25 is divisible by 5 completed. Why? Because the last digit is 5 here. So now check for the 10. 25 is not divisible by 10. Why? Because the last digit is should be 0 for 10 to divide by the 10. But here last digit is 5. So it is not divisible by 10. So next one is 125. So now next one. 125 is divisible by 5 or not? Yes. Last digit is 5. 125 is divisible by 5. Okay, now 125 is divisible by 10 or not? No, it is not divisible by 10. Why? Because last digit is 5. For 10, which number is there in the last digit? For 10, which 0 is there. Okay, if 0 is there in the last digit, then only the number is divisible by 10. Okay, 125 is not divisible. Now next, what number is given? 250. So for divisibility rule for 5 is the last units place should be 0 or 1, 0 or 5. Here 0 is there. So 250 is divisible by 5. So now 250 is divisible by 10 or not? Yes. The last digit should be 0. So then the number is divisible by 10. So 250 is divisible by 10. So in the last line we given the question that check whether the number that are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 2 and 5. So which the number which is divisible by 10, it is already divisible by 5. Okay, it's correct. Now we are going to check for the 2. Okay, 2. What is the divisibility rule for 2? In the divisibility rule for 2 is last number should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 0 is present or not? Yes, here present, 0 is present. So 250 is divisible by 2. Okay, everyone clear? So we are checking, okay, this the number which is divisible by 10 is also divisible by 2 and 5. Okay, now we are moving to the next one. What is it given that? So what is the next problem given that? See here, 1250, 1250. So last digit should be 0. So then the number is divisible by 5. 1250 is divisible by 5. 1250 is divisible by 10. Why? Because last number should be 0. Okay, it is 0, then the other reason the number is divisible by 10. So if the number is divisible by 10, the number is also divisible by 2. 1250 is divisible by 2 also. Okay, now we are moving to the next number. So see, like this you have to do all the problems. Okay, now what is the next number given? 10,205. So last number should be 5. Then the number is divisible by 5. Yes or no? Yes. So 10,205 is divisible by 5. So now 10,205. Last number should be 0. Then only that number is divisible by 10. So this number is not divisible by 10. 10,000. Okay, 10,205 is not divisible by 10. Okay. So this like this you have to do all the remaining problems. Okay. So two or more problems there you have to do that. Okay. See the next question. What is the next question given? That exercise 3.1 fourth question. Make three different 3-digit numbers using 1, 9 and 8 where each digit can be used only once. Check which of these numbers are divisible by 9. Okay children, what is the question given? So see here, what is the question given here? So make 3-digit number. We have to make the three digits number by using 1, 9 and 8. So which number is divisible by 9? Among 3, which number is divisible by 9? We have to check. Okay, first we have to frame 3 numbers from 1, 9, 8. Okay, first number 198. Okay, 198. Second number 981. Okay, 981. Third number 891. Okay, everyone clear? Which are not similar. Okay, which are all are different. Okay, now 198. So what is the divisibility rule for 9 here? Divisibility rule for 9, sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Okay, now see here, 1 plus 9 plus 8. So is equals to 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. So is 18 is divisible by 9? Yes. Yes or no? Yes, 9 to the 18. Now second number 9 plus 8 plus 1. So 9 plus 8 how much? 17. 17 plus 1, 18. So it is divisible by 9 or not? Yes, 9. It is divisible by 9 to the 18. Okay. Now 8 plus 9 plus 1. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 18 divisible by 9 or not? Yes. So all the digits are divisible by 9. Okay. 1, 98, 981 and 891 are divisible by 9. Okay.